Hi everyone. Today it's potato day. So I will start the rototiller and go into the field. Opposite the house we have a field, and I will try to put the potatoes today. So I go to till a little bit the ground because the last 2 weeks was raining, and yeah, the chicken they eat. So I will try to till the ground and put potatoes. See you in short time. I made first line, so the distance it will be like 20 centimeters between them. This is the way we do something like that. And by the way, this is the last year seeds which we produce here. It's our own. So until the end, need all done.
Pe când el a avut niște atât de țărne, numai bruj era mai de noi. Dacă grapa așa până se zdrobeau și așa până... Cât se făcea? Îmi dă Dumnezeu dă și se face.
So first lines, it's here. I made them. Another to go. We have the rows. My mom helped me to put also. There I have the seat. Grandpa is the inspector and supervisor. Here is the So small update. Until there, where is that bucket, it's already pudded, and I still have this, but started rain now. So this was all for now. So how you can see, I finished yesterday, and this it finished my seed, and I was to buy some. This is a new seed, some red potatoes, and I put few lines here, and I will finish. And what I want to show you is that some of them, they are big like that, and to what I do is I cut them in two, and what we need to do is just to place them with the cut part on the ground, so the roots from the skin they can get. Yeah, so I have another few lines, and I will count all the, we will see, I will count all the rows, and I will tell you in the end how many potatoes I put this year. I finish, I have 80 rows of potatoes, about 5 meters each. Here is some onion, it start to get now out, there also, and garlic there, and soon the others will be here also. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, you know. See ya all next time.